Alright, welcome guys to another video, giobunnytech. I've actually been trying to film, but it's been crazy this week. Christmas shopping, Christmas is coming soon. I've really been trying to get these videos recorded and edited and put out, but it's just been a crazy week. So I'm probably going to try and get everything before Christmas. I got some good videos coming up, but I wanted to talk about Go Places with DJI. This is really interesting because you pretty much have a chance to win 2 flight tickets and a DJI product. Now that's cool. I'm always about entering giveaways and contests, stuff like that, especially if it doesn't even cost anything to you. Like, why not try it? So Go Places with DJI. It says, tell us your 2019 dream destination, who you'd want to go with, and what DJI product to take for the chance to win 2 flight tickets and a DJI product. Now the rules: number 1, compose the tweet according to your choices, add hashtag DJI Go Places and at DJI Global, and tag the person you'd want to go with you. And number 2, post the tweet to your feed. And terms and conditions: the last day to submit your entry is 11:59 on December 25th Eastern. The winner will be announced on the official Twitter account at DJI Global by 11 on January 3rd. And I'll link everything. I'm going to show you a tweet. My last tweet was, I guess, earlier today. In 2019, I like to go to Hong Kong, China. Ching chong ching chong. Sorry, no, I don't mean to offend anybody, but with my mom using a DJI Mavic 2 Pro to record every moment of our adventure. How about you? And I tagged DJI Global and hashtag DJI Go Places, just to show you an example. I'll link this as well. It has more details about the contest, the DJI product. You know, it could be, must be below 1,500 at the US DJI online store. Now I didn't see anything that it said US only or anything like that, so I'm guessing it's for everybody for this giveaway. And the entries are between, it started on December 12th and it'll end on December 25th, so you guys still have time to throw out your tweets and actually like have a chance. I think it's pretty cool, man. Like, why not? It doesn't cost you anything, so why not? DJI Mavic 2 Pro, heck yeah, man. I like to go with that. I just got the Spark like a couple of weeks ago. I'd like to win that. It'd be fun, you know, to go somewhere and just record it. DJI Go Places. Bam! Alright, I just wanted to show that, share that with you guys. So hopefully you do your tweets and maybe you'll win. If you guys win, let me know. Alright, see you guys with tons of more video, tons of more content. So stay tuned. If you're new, you know what to do. Alright. Later, guys.